Technical analysis of support and resistance levels for UAVS, April 21 through July 18. Overview. UAVS exhibited extreme volatility over the period from April 21 to July 18, with the stock price ranging from a low of 0.724 on April 30th to a high of 2.37 on July 18th, closing at 2.02 on July 18th. This represents a 100% increase from the starting price of 1.01. Significant volume spikes occurred on July 18, 145,846,229 shares, June 9th, 21,321,767 shares, June 6, 10,485,781 shares, June 2, 26,931,060 shares, and May 2nd, 1,163,511 shares, compared to an average volume of around 100,000 to 700,000 shares on other days. Technical indicators such as RSI 71.47, stock RSI-K 84.68, and CCI 286.96 indicate overbought conditions, suggesting potential for consolidation or pullback. This analysis uses price action, volume, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and technical indicators to identify key support and resistance levels. Support levels: 1.49, July 14th close. The closing price on July 14th at 1.49 with a volume of 12,827,782 shares serves as the immediate support. Significance: this level aligns closely with the 5-day SMA, 1.54, and is supported by high volume, indicating a strong short-term floor. It is also near the 10-day EMA, 1.46, reinforcing its strength as a support zone. 1.26, July 15th close. The closing price on July 15th at 1.26 with a volume of 5,637,492 shares marks a short-term support. Significance: this level is below the 10-day SMA, 1.24, but aligns with the 20-day EMA, 1.22, suggesting a consolidation zone with potential buying interest. 1.12, June 25th close. The closing price on June 25th at 1.12 with a volume of 2,176,543 shares is a medium-term support. Significance: this level is supported by moderate volume and lies near the 20-day SMA, 1.17, making it a robust support zone from the June consolidation. 0.79, May 30th close. The closing price on May 30th at 0.79 with a volume of 149,973 shares represents a longer-term support. Significance: this level coincides with a low point in the price trend and is near the 50-day EMA, 1.13, acting as a strong base during the early period. Resistance levels: 2.37, July 18th high. The high on July 18th at 2.37 with a volume of 145,846,229 shares is the immediate resistance. Significance: this level marks the period's peak, supported by an extraordinary volume spike, and represents a critical barrier for further upside. 1.64, June 9th high. The high on June 9th at 1.64 with a volume of 21,321,767 shares is a medium-term resistance. Significance: this level was tested during the June uptrend and is supported by high volume, acting as a barrier. 1.31, June 5th high. The high on June 5th at 1.31 with a volume of 5,372,999 shares serves as another medium-term resistance. Significance: This level marked a peak in the early June rally, supported by significant volume, and lies near the 20-day SMA, 1.25 on July 18th. Technical indicators and support-resistance relationship. RSI 14, 71.47. RSI is in the overbought territory, greater than 70, supporting the 2.37 resistance level. A drop below 70 could signal a pullback toward 1.49 or 1.26. Stock RSI K 5, 84.68. The stock RSI at 84.68 reinforces overbought conditions, aligning with the 2.37 resistance. A decline could test 1.49 or lower supports. CCI 20, 286.96. The extremely high CCI indicates strong overbought momentum, supporting the 2.37 resistance. A fall below 100 could confirm a move toward 1.49 or 1.26. MFI 14, 97.51. The money flow index is very high, indicating strong buying pressure and reinforcing the 2.37 resistance. A drop below 80 could signal weakness toward 1.49. MACD 0.13, HIST 0.06. The positive MACD and histogram suggest bullish momentum, reinforcing 1.49 as a support. A bearish crossover could target 1.26 or 1.12. Arun oscillator 85.71. The positive oscillator value supports bullish momentum and the 1.49 support. A shift to negative could indicate a test of 1.26. OBV 207,188,571. On-balance volume shows massive buying pressure on July 18th, 145,846,229 shares, reinforcing 1.49 as a support level due to high volume accumulation. ATR 14. The 14-day average true range indicates daily price movements of around 0.23, suggesting an expected range of 1.79 to 2.25 around the July 18th close of 2.02, aligning with the 2.37 resistance. Volume analysis. The extraordinary volume spike on July 18th, 145,846,229 shares, dwarfs other high-volume days, such as June 9th, 21,321,767 shares, and June 6th, 10,485,781 shares. The 1.49 support is backed by 12,827,782 shares, while the 2.37 resistance is supported by the massive July 18th volume, indicating strong market interest at these levels. Next trading day outlook. The July 18th close at 2.02, combined with RSI 71.47, stock RSI K 84.68, and CCI 286.96, suggest overbought conditions, increasing the likelihood of a consolidation or pullback toward 1.49. The opening price is likely to range between 1.79 and 2.25, with 1.49 as a key pivot. A breakout above 2.37 would require volumes exceeding 150 million shares, while a drop below 1.49 could test 1.26 or 1.12. Conclusion and strategy. Support strategy. 1.49 and 1.26 are strong short-term buying opportunities, with 1.12 offering a medium-term support. Monitor for volume increases greater than 10 million shares to confirm these levels. Resistance strategy. 2.37 is the immediate resistance, with 1.64 and 1.43 as secondary barriers. A breakout above 2.37 requires exceptional volume, more than 150 million shares. Overbought RSI, stock RSI K and CCI suggest caution at 2.37.